Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 2D sketching exercises. Exercise number 4. First, select the new part, then click Front Plane for sketching. Now, select the center line command and draw a center line vertical from the origin. Specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. Now, select Offset Entities, then specify the entities to be offset and give the offset dimension. Make the required offsets in suitable direction as per the manual. Once offset is done, now select the line command, then draw a horizontal line from the origin. Select offset entities, specify the newly drawn horizontal line and specify the offset dimension. Make offset in required directions as per the manual. Once the offset is complete, now remove the unwanted projections using trim command. For that, select the trim command and remove the unwanted lines as per the manual. Now select mirror entities, specify the entities to be mirrored and the axis of mirror as a center line. That's it, our 2D sketch is completed.